किधर जाने का है आपको? पनवेल। एकदम सीधा सीधा जाओ। ये पहले अंदर 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 साइड जाओ, थोड़ा लेफ्ट साइड। इधर पूरा ट्रैफिक है। इधर से अंदर जाओ, इधर आओ। हाँ बस अभी ये लाइन पकड़ो, ये लाइन पकड़ो और एकदम सीधा सीधा निकलो। राइट में ट्रैफिक है। मेरी चाबी बाइक पे है क्या? हाँ डैम, तेरे को कौन चोरी करेगा रे? 10 किलोमीटर बाद बंद पड़ जाएगी। क्या मेरा व्यू खराब कर दिया तेरी भीड़ की। मॉर्निंग यूट्यूब और rather good scorching afternoon YouTube. It is 11:53 PM. I am somewhere in the exact middle of Mumbai and it's not hot, it's scorching. It's not even scorching. If the day was a superhero, it would be Human Torch. If my body knew geography, my balls would know they're in India, not Mexico. It's that hot. But I need to talk about something very important today. Words. And to be more specific, it's not just about words, it's about the words that we speak to young ones. It's an important topic. If you're interested, you're welcome to stay. If not, you're welcome to skip. I'll see you in the next flight. यार पहले यहाँ से मैं निकल जाऊँ, उसके बाद मैं बक बक करूँगा। चल 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 चल, निगाह 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 निगाह। तेरी भेड़ की तेरी। पांडू पांडू समझ रहा है हिमालयन को भाई, ऐसा वैसा हिमालयन नहीं है बेटा। It's the Capchoose Himalayan. चल 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 चला काकी। Now the most beautiful thing about words is also its own tragedy. It is that words, a lot of words, actually most of the words have different meanings. And by that I mean, one is what the word actually means itself, and one is in the tonality of the voice that you use it in. Different words said differently will mean different things just by saying them differently. Words are everywhere. They are shapes that you make with your mouth, uttering a small sound from inside that changes those sounds according to the variation of your lips. Words are used to create, they are used to destroy, they are used to love, they are used to hate, they are used to express. Words are even used in silence. Words are very important. Now as a writer, I do understand that sometimes words do fall short of what you're trying to communicate, and words don't do justice to a lot of emotions and to a lot of feelings. Words will never do justice, but in most cases throughout your life, 98% of the times, let's say, words are extremely important. That is why they always say choose your words very wisely when you speak. Now why is today's topic important? Today's topic and today's video is especially for the people who are about to be parents, or people who are in the line of teaching children. They're teachers, they work with children, etc etc. अरे यार ये एम्बुलेंस के पीछे नहीं जाना है मेरे को। Yeah, now that we're in the clear, we can talk a little bit more clearly. Shabd. In my few years of working with children and teaching children, and also in my few years of being a human being on this planet, because I am also someone's child, you are also someone's child, it is my observation that 90% to 95% of Indian youth today are underconfident for one and one reason only. It is because they don't get to hear nice words about themselves. जब हम बच्चों से बात करते हैं, हम एक चीज़ भूल जाते हैं कि वो इंसान है भाई, उसका भेजा वैसे ही काम करता है जैसे तेरा भेजा काम करता है। हाँ, सेम इंटेंसिटी के साथ नहीं, सेम इंटेलेक्चुअल कैपेबिलिटीज़ के साथ नहीं, पर इमोशंस और फीलिंग वही है। जो डर तुझे लग रहा है वो डर 10 गुना ज़्यादा बच्चे को लग रहा है। जो कन्फ्यूजन तुझे लग रहा है वो कन्फ्यूजन 10 गुना ज़्यादा बच्चे को लग रहा है। जो प्यार तुझे महसूस होता है वो सेम प्यार 10 गुना ज़्यादा वो बच्चे को महसूस होता है। जो गिल्ट तुझे महसूस होता है वो सेम गिल्ट 10 गुना ज़्यादा बच्चे को महसूस होता है। We often judge people and judge children by their intellectual capabilities. It is high time that we judge people and judge children on their emotional capability. बड़े होने के नाते हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हम कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं, कुछ भी, and we will get away with it because we are adult. Who knows better than an adult? I think this notion is rubbish and it should change. माना कि adults know a lot, But we also have to understand that year by year and decade by decade, the world is changing and the time is changing. What has been happening for the last 150 years is not necessarily right just because it has been happening for the last 150 years. In all my years of working with children, teaching children, I've come to realize that a lot of them are not spoken to nicely yet. दबाया जाता है, बोला जाता है कि तू गलत है, तू ये है, तू वो है, और अगर बच्चा गलत भी है तो एक बोलने का तरीका होता है. तुम एक बच्चे का मोरल, तुम एक बच्चे का सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस खराब करके उससे ये नहीं एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते कि वो तुम्हारी बात जिंदगी भर सुनेगा. रिबेलियन नाम की चीज होती है. रिबेलियन ऑल्सो अराइजेज आउट ऑफ एन इमोशन ऑफ एंगर ओनली, आउट ऑफ द इमोशन ऑफ एंगर एंड आउट ऑफ द फीलिंग ऑफ इनजस्टिस. दैट इज व्हेन रिबेलियन अराइजेज. See, kids are like canvases. It's a blank canvas. तुम्हारे हाथ में पेंट ब्रश है, तुम उसमें कुछ भी पेंट कर सकते हो, and that canvas will stand for that. The canvas will mold itself and become the painting. When you encourage a child, when you tell a child that he and she can do anything, that there is no such thing that he and she can do that will make you less proud of that child. That child will grow up with that confidence of him or her being able to do anything. When you tell a child, when you restrict a child, when you limit a child, when you tell the child that this is not for you, you cannot do this, that child will grow up believing that they cannot do this. And this is basic psychology. इसके लिए तुम्हारे पास कोई psychology की डिग्री होने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है. We tend to think, we as in adults, which now includes me also, we tend to think that children are children. उसका क्या थोड़े टाइम के बाद याद थोड़ी ना रहेगा. चिल्ड्रन रिमेंबर फॉर अ लाइफ टाइम. तू मेरे को आज पूछ कि जब मैं 5 साल का था मेरे साथ क्या हुआ था, मैं तेरे को आज बताएगा डिटेल में, इंक्लूडिंग विच क्लोथ्स आई वाज वेयरिंग दैट डे. चिल्ड्रन रिमेंबर एवरीथिंग. अ चिल्ड्रंस माइंड, अ चिल्ड्रंस ब्रेन, सॉरी क्या भैंचो कैसी इंग्लिश बोल रहा मैं भाई. अ चाइल्ड्स माइंड, a child's brain is a sponge. It will absorb everything. And if you are unlucky and you have a sensitive child, a child who is sensitive to energy, who is very emotionally aware of things around him or her, who is exceptionally in tune with things around him and her, and when you talk to that child in a specific manner, that child will pick up on those words, they will pick up on the tonality of that language, and they will carry it through the rest of their lives. It will shape their life, it will shape their moods, it will shape their emotions, it will shape everything that child does henceforward. It is very important to choose your words very, very wisely when you talk to a child. No matter how angry you are, how frustrated you are in life, you cannot remove it on that child. Whether you are the child's parent or you are the child's teacher, nobody gives you the right to break someone's character, to break someone's morale in such a manner that it is very difficult to rebuild afterwards. Most of the Indian youth that you see in any generation, I am not talking about just this generation, कोई भी generation में से कोई भी Indian child को उठा, तेरे को 95% वो बंदा या बंदी अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट ही मिलेगा, क्योंकि उसको घर पे इतना सुनाया गया है, इतना बोला गया है बचपन से. फ्रस्ट्रेशन में आके माँ बाप कुछ भी बोल देते, गुस्से में आके पेरेंट्स और टीचर्स कुछ भी बोल देते, एंड देन दैट चाइल्ड कैरीज दैट फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ हिज और हर लाइफ, थिंकिंग कि नहीं मेरी ही गलती होगी, मैं ही हूँ थोड़ा सा पागल, मैं ही हूँ थोड़ा सा ये, मैं ही हूँ थोड़ा सा वो. इफ यू आर एंग्री, इफ यू आर फ्रस्ट्रेटेड विद लाइफ, यू सिट क्वाइटली, अपने में रहो, चुपचाप रहो, जाके बैठो अपने घर के कोने में. घर में अगर तुम्हारा कोना नहीं है, घर छोटा है, तो बाहर जाके बैठो गार्डन में, कुछ ना कुछ तो करो, लेकिन वो अपना गुस्सा ना किसी और पे निकालना मत. Don't remove the frustration of somebody else. I have also been guilty of doing this. I have also done this a couple of times in my life. When I don't understand something, when I get very frustrated, no, it just comes out on the people next to me. But I grew aware of that fact, and I have tried my best to change. I have tried my best to count my breath when I'm extremely angry or extremely frustrated, when I feel extremely alone, when I feel betrayed, when I feel heartbroken. I have realized that in life that it is not right for me to push my bullshit on somebody else just because I am angry. Unless we learn how to talk softly with each other, and softly I don't mean tonality, I don't mean आवाज में soft, I mean tonality में soft. Unless you learn how to talk softly to your children, nothing is ever going to change. We will just have generation after generation after generation after generation of traumatized children who don't know how to handle their emotions anymore, who have lost the battle even before they start fighting it. So if you are a teacher, or if you're about to be a parent, a new parent, please remember it makes a hell lot of difference when you talk to the child in a polite and a soft manner. Even if you're angry, you need to explain something to them. Do it to them. Talk to them like they're an adult. Don't treat them like they're kids, because kids actually aren't kids. Kids today are smarter than what I was when I was a child, and kids tomorrow will be smarter than what kids are today. That's just how fucking nature works. You don't have to feel bad about it. You don't have to think कि अरे ये बच्चा है, बहुत ज़्यादा बोलता है, बहुत ज़्यादा सोचता है. अरे वो नेचर है लॉ का. कल जब मेरा बच्चा होगा, अगर मेरा बच्चा हुआ, मेरे को नहीं चाहिए बट अगर हुआ, तो he will be a product of me and my wife, which means he is an evolved product of me and my wife. That is exactly how DNA works. So I cannot hold it against the child for being a little bit more smarter, for being a little bit more outspoken, for being a little bit more expressive. I can't hold it against the child. If the child is telling me कि पापा मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये गलत हो रहा है, तो I will pay attention because वो गलत हो रहा है. So new parents and teachers, please be very aware of how you speak to a child. The child will carry that for the rest of his or her life, and the child will that will decide the child's future. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say. You don't want to give someone an underconfident future. You want to give them a confident future. Otherwise, what's the point of education? What's the point of reproduction in the first place? If we don't do better than what our parents did for us, what is the point of reproduction? That is exactly how evolution happens, right? My parents did for me what their parents couldn't do for them. So it will be my job to do for my children what my parents couldn't do for me. And then it will be my child's job to do for his or her child what I couldn't do for my children. That is the only point of evolution. It is the only point of reproduction. Anyway, I don't want this video to be too pravachani or too preachy. I just had something on my mind and I needed to share it. I had to get it out. एक काम करो भाई, रास्ते के बीच में खड़े रह जाओ. एंड आई थिंक वो जनरेशनली चेंज आएगी. ऐसे कितने भी वीडियोस तुम बनाओ, बोलो, सुनो, वो चेंज नहीं आने वाली. इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू कम, बिकॉज वो चेंज आने के लिए ना समवेयर डाउन द लाइन हैज टू एक्सेप्ट कि हमारे से गलती हुई है. एंड एज फार एज माई ऑब्जर्वेशंस आर कंसर्न्ड, ये कंट्री में किसी भी लेवल की अथॉरिटी को ये समझाना कि भाई अथॉरिटी की गलती हुई है, इट्स नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल. The authoritative ego in this country is very big, no matter where you look. And since you and I are a part of this country, you and I are also very susceptible to become this authoritative ego tomorrow. So that is why you and I must be more aware of the situations that have happened in the past, so you and I don't make the same mistake again. ठीक है? I just wanted to share this, so I made this short video. I hope you have a good day. Thank you for giving me your time. This is your captain speaking, and I will see you on my next flight.